This is a demonstration of the manual muscle test for interphalangeal extension of the thumb, IP extension of the thumb. The primary mover is the extensor pollicis longus. The extensor pollicis longus will be palpated in the near the second dorsal compartment, but it's actually the third one, which is the top of the snuff box. So have your patient raise their thumb up, you can see, kind of move your thumb around. There, this is the extensor pollicis longus right here. So remember, the second dorsal compartment is your extensor carpi radialis longus and brevis. But you skip that one and palpate on the tendon of the extensor pollicis longus, which is the top of the snuff box. Position your patient as sitting. Forearm is in neutral position. Thumb is relaxed. And you're going to stabilize the proximal phalanx of the thumb. Instruct the patient to extend the tip up against gravity, and you're going to palpate the tendon. You can palpate it here, which is at the wrist. Some people, it's very prominent along the first metacarpal. Like, you can extend here. I don't know if you can see that right here. See this tendon right here? You can palpate it there, anywhere along that pathway. But you have to stabilize the proximal phalanx. Okay, now extend the IP joint and hold it there. Now I'm going to remove my palpating hand and put a downward pressure on the thumb. And as you resist it, if full resistance is given, you award the grade of 5. Now, for a grade 2, everything repeats itself. Same position, forearm is in neutral. Stabilize the proximal phalanx. Instruct the patient to attempt to bring the thumb up toward the ceiling. They're going to be very weak. Palpate the muscle. I know you're very weak. Attempt to extend your thumb as best you can. Partial range of motion is given the grade of 2. Now, if someone does a full range of motion, that would be given the grade of 3.